declare this over you, kapatid, that you will see this August, you will see God's miracles over your life, in that situation of yours, in that impossible situation. Claim this promise. Lord, I am going to see your miracle in my life. Today, I want to prophesy over you that this August, you will be filled with awe. That this August, the Lord will turn your awful experiences into awe-filled and awesome encounters with the Lord. Sabi po dito sa Psalm 40, verse 3, a new song for a new day rises up in me every time I think about how He breaks through for me. So your new day is rising up. That the Lord will break through for you. That you will have a new song out of your spirit, out of your heart, out of your belly. You will have a new song for the Lord. At kung ano man yung mga hindi magagandang nangyari, yung mga madidilim na nangyari in the past, the Lord is going to break through for you. And He will give you a new day that will rise up. The sun will shine again in your life. Ecstatic praise pours out of my mouth until everyone hears how God has set me free. And so today I also declare and prophesy that God will show forth His power sa sitwasyon mo, and He will set you free. He will set you free from anxiety, from depression, from torment, from oppression of the enemy. And your test will become a testimony. Ang sabi po dito, everyone will hear how God will set you free. So I prophesy over you na yung pinagdaraanan mo ngayon ay gagamitin ni Lord to encourage other people. Kung paano kang pinagaling ni Lord, kung paano kang palalayain ni Lord, kung paano kanyang bibigyan ng provision, supernatural intervention, miracles upon miracles. You will tell people about it. And they will know God through your testimony, through your story. So this is the season to speak up and to tell others about the good news, your freedom, your healing. Kung ano yung ginawang maganda ni Lord. So mag-expect ka. Kung ikaw ay nasa sitwasyon yun na mahirap, imposible, expect God to break through for you and He will set you free. I also declare this over you. Many will see His miracles and they will stand in awe of God and fall in love with Him. I decree and I prophesy over you that this season, this August month, and in the next months to come, you will experience miracles, supernatural provisions, signs and wonders. Mamanghain ka ni Lord. Ibabalik niya yung pagkamangha natin sa Kanya, and He will display, He will show forth His power through miracles, signs and wonders.